Hey, welcome to another Gourmet Fishing Super Short. On today's Super Short, we're going to create our own seafood seasoning, something very similar to the Old Bay seasoning that I'm sure a lot of us have used before, but now we can make and customize our own seafood seasoning. Hey, let's get started on our own seafood seasoning. Now, what's going to go in it? I tell you what, let's take a look at our little grocery list we've got right here. We've got a tablespoon of celery seed. We've got about 3/4 of a tablespoon of coarse black pepper. We've got 4 bay leaves. Right here, we've got a half of teaspoon of cardamom, half teaspoon of mustard seed. We have 4 whole cloves, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of mace, a half a teaspoon of lime powder. Yes, that adds a little something to it. We've got a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of granulated garlic. So now we take all these together and put them together, and we create our own seasoning. So we're going to do that by using our trusty spice grinder, or really what it's used for was a coffee grinder, but you know, I just go out and buy normal coffee like everybody else. Anyway, so let's get everything started. So here's our celery seeds, like so. Now our black pepper. Now with our bay leaves, I'm going to try to crunch these up just a tad to kind of help the pulsing of our mix and get it kind of sort of broken up in there. Now here we've got our cardamom and our mustard seeds, like so. Oh, left a little bit of cardamom. Now here are our 4 cloves and our paprika. It's like that. Now we've got mace and our lime juice powder. Lime juice powder, you might be asking yourself, where in the heck do you find that? Well, you can get it online at these like baking stores, cake baking and cookie baking online stores. Here we've got I'm using kosher salt and granulated garlic. So, almost done. Yes, we are. Now, we're going to come in here and we are going to pulse this 4 to 6 times at about a second a pulse. Now we don't want to turn this into a powder. We want it to have a little bit of consistency and a little bit of grit to it, so we know it's what we're putting on our seafood is there. So exciting, isn't it? And one last one, and then we'll check it and see how it looks. Well, I tell you what, that's perfect. So this one we only did 4 pulses at about a second a piece. So let's see what we have when we dump this out. Oh man, you can smell it. Oh, it smells awesome, just like so. Check that out, man. Yep. That's gonna be so good on some boiled crabs or some shrimp or frogmore stew, or shoot, anything, man. Oh, cannot wait to try it. So that was it. That's pretty daggone simple, and you can customize it any way you like. After you do it yourself, you know, then you can say, well, you know, I don't want this, I want to add some of that. It's all there, and it's, again, simple and it's easy. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that little notification bell, and hey, if you like the video, give it a little thumbs up, and please leave us any comments you'd like. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Where Instagram, we've got 2 T's in gourmet. Again, One of those things. And we do have the recipe out there for you to download. It's in the link below, and it's also out on our website at gourmetfishing.com. So until next time, God bless, and we'll see you then.